Alright, so today is Wednesday, November 26th. I am at Slipe Primary and Infant School. We have a team led by a local team from Slipe, led by a young man called Nicholas. We are doing putting on, well, we're stripping the roof of the main classroom block and then putting on some 30 by 40 foot extra durable UV ray resistant tarpaulin provided by the Education and Youth Department. We are gonna be doing 3-foot spacing, and there's a lot of work to be done. We're using zinc nails, but with some rubber washers on them, and also some plastic that we have cut up from some bucket lids I had from Parkland Industrial. So we've made some additional protection for the tarpaulin between the zinc nails and the tarpaulin. But as it is stretched out here, it's really looking good. It looks as if 2 of these 30 foot by 40 foot will do the whole building, except for the 2 ends that are slanted like this. So we'll have to do something else with these, the end here and the end at the far side.